All right, so today we're going to be talking about math in regards to addition and subtraction, and it's the whole numbers up to 20 using concrete pictorial models and sentences. We're going to go over our vocabulary, right?
Vocabulary words?
Yes. So our vocabulary, do you know what the word change means in math?
Huh?
Change? Like, you know what that means?
Yes, I know the word change.
What does it mean? What do you think it means?
It means like it changes, like it's a dog and then it turns big.
Okay, but in math, what do you think it means? Like if you have a number
Like this.
and then another number?
It's gonna change.
So you have 11 plus 2.
Oh.
Okay, so what is 11 plus 2? We'll do... Okay, so that's 13. Good job. Okay, and
That's
then
one of them.
right, so this would be your start, and then this would be your change, because you're either taking away or adding to the number, right? So your whole, like if I have, let me see real quick. Thank you. If I have 2 plus 3, so if I have 2 plus 3, so this number, the number 2, would be your start. So that would be your start, because you're starting with that number, right? And then your change would be this number, because you're either gonna add or you're gonna take away, right? This number. And then your equation, that's another term. Your equation would be your whole thing, which would be 2 plus 3 equals, what's 2 plus 3? What's 2 plus 3? So if I have 2 fingers, so you want to use this one? So if I have 2 little teddy bears, and then I want to add 3 more teddy bears, how many of them do I have in total?
5.
Good job. All right, so I'm going to show you a quick video that talks about math. Give me 1 second. All right, so you ready?
Yes.
Hi there, this is Sarah. Hi!
All right, make sure you
Sarah
pay attention
loves
so that
to
way
learn
you know
math.
what we're dealing with. All right, so
Hi
this
guys,
talks about...
my friend the robot is here today to help me learn about addition and subtraction problems
So
under
we're talking
20.
about addition and
He should be
subtraction.
around here. Do you see him? There you are, you silly little guy. Please come over here and help me go through some math questions. Here is the first problem we have.
So pay attention,
Sam has 4 hats and Josh has 8 hats.
right?
How many do they have all together?
So if I have...
To solve this problem, we can show
8
how many
hats.
hats Sam and Josh have. I happen to have the hats here, but you guys can draw hats on a piece of paper to answer questions like this. Sam has 4 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Josh has 8 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The question is asking how many we have
4
all
hats.
together. All together means putting the groups of items together. We also call this adding. We are adding Sam's 4 hats with Josh's 8 hats to find out how many we have all together. We are going to
Alright.
use...
So yours 4 plus 4. So remember, we're gonna use our counters. So it's, you have 4 little teddy bears, right? There you go. You have 4, right? And then you want to add 4 more. 3, right? So we have our 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so you're gonna write 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so we here it says Sam has 4 hats, right? And then Josh has 8 hats. So they're trying to figure out how many of them are all together.
Okay.
So if you want to, so you have 8 hats. So you have 8 little teddy bears, right? Right here. We're using the counters. So you have 8 little teddy bears, right? Green teddy bears. And then Sam has 4 yellow teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So what is 4 plus 8? Can we count all together?
I don't think I need this.
All right. So it's 8.
Add 3 to 8
Why?
because it's gonna be easier.
Okay. Go ahead and add it. What is 8 plus 3?
I don't remember right now.
All right. So let's do this. So let's draw pictures, okay? All right. So if the counters are not gonna help you, we can draw pictures. All right. Let's use a new clean sheet of paper. So we said here our problem says Sam has 4 hats, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Sam has 4 hats. And how many does Josh have? How many
8.
does? Okay, can you draw 8 circles? 1,
2,
3,
4, 5,
6, 6,
6, 8,
7,
7.
8, which is 8. Okay, so now you have 8. All right, good job. So you're going to add. Good job. So you're going to add. You're going to use your addition sign, right? So you're going to have our problem, which is 8 plus 4. So what is 8 plus 4?
Okay.
So what is so if you have 8 and you want to add 4 more to it, so okay, so you want to count together. So how many circles do I have here? 1. Look, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's move on.
It's a strategy called counting on, which means we will start with one of the groups and count up from there to count all the hats. Let's start with the group of 8 and count on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Right?
There are 12
There are
hats
12
all
hats
together.
all together.
Great job.
All right, so I'm going to give you another one, okay? And you're going to help me out and solve this one. Damien has 13 Legos, okay? So how many Legos are you going to draw, or how many manipulators are you going to use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And can you draw 13 little circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. So we said that Damien has 13 Legos, right? And his aunt Lucy gives him 6 more Legos. So how many does his aunt?
2, 3.
So how many do you want to add to this?
1, 2, 3,
Mhm.
4, 5,
Mhm.
6.
Okay. So can you write the equation? Can you write 13
13.
backwards? Plus and 6 equals 19. So can we count 19 little teddy bears? 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18.
18, 19, 20.
19. All right. So I'm going to give you another problem. You ready? Last problem. Second to last problem. We'll do 2 more problems, okay? We'll do 2 more problems. All right. Anna had 10 marbles. Right? So how many marbles are you going to draw?
10.
Can you draw 10? Can you draw 10 marbles? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you drew 10 marbles. All right. So Anna gives 5 marbles to her sister. So are we gonna take away or are we gonna add? 3. Good job. Are we gonna? Okay. So how many marbles does Anna have in total? So if she had, how many marbles did she have to begin with?
10.
Okay. And how many did she give to her sister?
5.
Okay. So how many is that in total?
5. She only has 5 left.
Good. All right. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's say that Alondra had 20 pennies. 20 pennies. Right?
Is it a plus?
Okay, well, we're going to figure it out ahorita. All right? We're going to figure it out right now, okay? So right now we're starting that Alondra has 20 pennies, right? You write the number 20? Can you write the number 20? Good. Her sister asked her to give her 3 pennies. So are we taking away or are we adding?
Taken away.
Okay, good job. So how much is that? How many pennies does Alondra have in total? And how did you figure out that it was 17? So it's 20 minus 3 equals 17. How did you figure out that was 17? 2.
Take away that. You have 1 more.
Mm-hmm.
And then so you took away 2. So you had 9. You had this number.
Okay, so you took 2 from the 20, which was what?
Which was 19.
Are you sure?
I mean,
So if you had 20, you took away 2, how much do you have left?
18.
Okay, and then what did you do right here? You took 1 more, right?
Yeah.
And so how much did you have left with? 17, right?
Yes.
So you had 17. Alondra has 17 pennies left. All right. So, last question. Okay. Last question. Pedro had 11 eggs, right? Pedro breaks 6 eggs. How many eggs does Pedro have left?
11. It's gonna be 5.
Okay. And how did you solve that it was 5?
I already knew it.
Okay. So, no, but remember, Pedro started with 11 eggs and he broke 6 eggs. So how many eggs does he have left?
5.
5, okay. Let's do another question. Last question. I'm going to give you the last
Have I got everything right so far?
Yes, so far you're doing good.
I got everything right.
Yes. So Alex had 19 toy cars, right? So, and then he gave 11 toy cars to his little brother. How many toy cars does Alex have now? So if he started with a 19, you want to drop a picture? Or do you want to use this one? So you have 19, 1, 2. Do you want to put 19 little teddy bears right here?
No.
You got it? You think you got it?
She took away 1 from it. She had 18 left. So you took away 4.
So Alex had 19 toy cars and he gave 11 toy cars to his little brother Luis.
Wait, he gave 11?
Right. So he started with 19 toy cars.
Oh, I did the wrong thing.
I'm sorry?
I did the wrong thing.
Okay, so you can want to
11?
write. Let's start it. Right, let's
No, I
start
didn't
here.
do it.
So let's start all over. So Alex had 19 toy cars, right? Do you want to write the number in 19? So he gave 11 toy cars to his little brother Luis. So are we taking away or are we adding more?
Taken away.
Okay. So how many toy cars does Alex have now?
Okay.
So if I have 19 toy cars, pretend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? I have 19 toy cars right here with this manipulatives, okay? And I give you, how many am I going to give you?
11.
Okay, I'm going to give you 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so those 11 cars are yours, right? How many cars do I have in total? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many does she have? How many? Good job.
Done.
You're done?
I think so.
All right. That's it for today.